Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make homemade gunpowder in Windrose. Now there are some prerequisites that you're going to have to do for you to be able to make some gunpowder of your own. First off, over on your journals, go over to the discovery section right over here. You have to unlock the foothills region, and for you to unlock this, you need to have defeated the local threat of the coastal jungle, because this is pretty much the first area from when you spawn or just started the game. Thankfully, Thomas Richards here, the local threat of the coastal jungle, is pretty much part of the main quest, so you won't really miss on trying to locate him. Once you've defeated Thomas Richards, you can finally unlock the regions for the foothills, where the main mission will lead you to islands that have the foothills region. And inside here, the one thing that you're going to need to discover first is the corn, because by discovering corn, you can then unlock the millstone right here. This structure is going to be the one that you're going to make the gunpowder on. And we do have a video of how to make one in the channel, so you might want to check it out. Alright, now over on your millstone right here, press E to use it. And as long as you've discovered sulfur, you should have found the recipe to make the homemade gunpowder. And for every 10 pieces of sulfur and 20 pieces of ash, you'll be able to make gunpowder of your own at 10 pieces. Now let me show you by pressing down craft and give it a few seconds for it to completely craft it. And there we go, once it's finished crafting, you now have 10 pieces of homemade gunpowder. And that's pretty much about it on how to make homemade gunpowder in Windrose.